Today, I want to show you 5 proven ways to make money online that I and my YouTube subscribers are using every day worldwide to make money online for free. People always ask me, hey, how can I make $10 per day from Europe, or how can I make $20 per day from Asia, or how can I make $100 per day from the US? First of all, the strategies that I'll show you on this channel to make money online, they work worldwide, so you can make money in the same way from Asia, Australia, the US, Europe, and Africa. There are a couple of exceptions, but we're not going to focus on those in this video. Instead, we're going to focus on the ways that pay you money worldwide. Second, it's important that you understand the differences between these 5 ways to make money online, because some of these strategies are going to pay you faster, like even today, but some of them will take a bit longer. Some are easy enough for anyone without any skill, but some of them are a little bit harder, although those harder ones can usually make you a lot of money over a lifetime. So understand those differences and watch this video very carefully, because number 5 is probably gonna pay you the most and number 1 is the easiest. One is so-called automatic income. You simply click a button, you set and forget, and it'll make you money. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you the best and greatest platforms to be used to earn money real quick. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. And before we get into this brand new content, we release new ways to earn money online daily, and make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we drop a new method and be one of the first to have a chance to try it out. Leave a like and comment below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and we will reach more and more people. Now, before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and want to see more, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Let's start right away with number 1, and that is sharing your internet connection. What does it mean? There are many of these applications such as Honeygain, CryptoTab, and PacketStream that I and my subscribers have earned lots of money with. Not like tons of money, but some significant amount. For example, I have cashed out hundreds of dollars from Honeygain, and my subscribers in total have cashed out thousands of dollars. How do these applications work? Well, it's simply that you share your internet connection and then they will sell that connection on their marketplace, and that's why you'll get paid. And these are perfect for you if you have an unlimited internet connection and you want to earn a lot of money, because as I told you, even though they have paid hundreds of dollars for me and in total thousands of dollars for my subscribers, they don't pay a lot. Like, I would say a maximum you can earn about $20, $30, even $50 per month, and that would be the maximum. You're not gonna earn hundreds of dollars per month yourself without referring other people to the platform. Of course, if you refer other people to these platforms, then you may earn more money, but just by sharing your own internet connection, just by clicking activate, you're not gonna earn much. But again, this is very easy. Just click the button activate to download the software, and that's it. It'll make you money automatically worldwide. And however, if you want higher paying options, don't go for number 1. Go for number 4 or number 5. Now, let's move on to number 2, and that is easy money websites. People ask me what the easiest websites are to make money. Well, the easy money websites, as I like to call them, are websites that pay you money, for example, for answering questions like, are you a man or a woman, or how old are you, where do you live? Anybody can answer these questions, or for example, clicking ads, like click on an ad and you'll earn money for that. And this is kind of an easy thing. So, watching videos, click play, watch a video, earn money. These kinds of easy things. Now, the drawback with this website is the same as with number 1. They don't pay a lot because they are super easy to do. For Eagle Empire, they will pay you on the first day. When I started using this website, Eagle Empire, I got paid for survey time. For example, it pays $1 per survey and they pay out immediately. Other options include Swagbucks and Timebucks. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really love it if you guys tap the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and post a comment down below. If we get 1,000 comments that say make money online on this video, we'll drop a crazy brand new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can make money just doing basic stuff like this. So comment make money online down below, and if you get 3,000 likes on this video, we'll drop a crazy brand new video that might be cooler than this. So comment make money online down below. Next week, we'll release a brand new video to show you how to make even more money online by completing simple tasks like this on your laptop. So let's get back to the video now. Let's move on to number 3, and that is online jobs. Now, understand the difference between 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2 you can do anytime. You can decide when to do it, where to do it, and all of these things. With number 3, however, online jobs, when you're hired by some company, sometimes you need to work during a specific time, and sometimes you need to be in a specific country. And examples of some companies that are hiring worldwide are Appen and Lionbridge. So you can start earning money wherever you are in the world by working for other companies. These are usually not so flexible, but they are also relatively easy, because once you get hired, they'll tell you what to do and then you can start earning money. So you do need to use your own imagination, as with these high-paying options, which are number 4 and number 5. And of course, with number 3, your earning potential can also be high if you have great skills. Usually when you get hired for online jobs in the United States, you get paid a minimum of $8 per hour or $10 per hour. That is your minimum. However, as your skills get better, you may earn about $15 per hour, $30, $50, and some high-paying ones can even be $100 per hour. So that is usually how this works. You develop your skills, you provide more value for the company, then you start earning money. But when you're starting out as a complete beginner, don't expect to make millions with these jobs. The benefit, of course, is that you can usually start earning money immediately after getting hired. Okay, now, if you want to make money with online jobs, you need to send applications. Sometimes you need to send many applications, so 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, even 20 applications before you get hired. But again, it all depends on your skills. The better skills you have, the easier it is to get hired and the easier it is to earn more money. So it all comes down to your skills, and that's why, for example, as like what a saying is, focus on improving your skills, and your skills will make room for you. And one pro advice for you is that focus on improving some specific skills, because companies usually don't want to hire generalists, people who can do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. They want to hire people who know one skill very well. So focus on improving one skill, and companies will be willing to pay you more and more money. Okay, now let's move to those highest paying options, which are number 4 and number 5. Number 4 is a building online business. Businesses work differently, so you need to understand the difference. With jobs, you get hired and you get paid immediately. With an online business, you usually need to spend some time and some money in order to build that business, but the payout can be higher. Let's say with jobs, the maximum that you can earn is usually $100,000 per year, or if it's a really high-paying job, maybe $150,000 per year. But if you build an online business, there are people in this world who are making millions, even tens of millions of dollars with their businesses. So there really is no limit with an online business. People like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and Mark Zuckerberg are making billions with their businesses, and if you want to build a business, it's a different process. Like if you want to start making money right now, starting a business is not right for you, but if you want to earn a lot of money in the long term, then I recommend also starting a business. So one good thing that I always recommend is to start a job if you are in an urgent need to earn money, but then at the same time, start building a business, because the job covers for your needs like food, rent, and all these things. But a business is gonna build you a fortune over a lifetime, and I really want to drill down this point, because so many times I see people come into me and they say, hey, I want to do some business that will make me a lot of money. I want to see some opportunity that makes a lot of money. Businesses don't work like that. If you start a business, it takes time to learn it to start earning money. So it's different from a job. If you want to learn how to build a business, there are lots of great training, so there are lots of great resources where you can learn step by step how to build your own online business. Just don't expect to make money like a magic button. Businesses don't work like that. Expect that you'll need to learn the skills and apply the skills. You'll probably fail a couple of times, then you'll start earning money. You will earn a little bit more and more and more and more and more, and then the sky's the limit. Over your lifetime, you may even earn millions. Okay, so number 5 is investing, and this is what I recommend, especially after you've built your business. After you've made a lot of money, you can start investing. For example, in the stock market, cryptocurrencies, or buying existing businesses. Of course, you can start immediately. Start putting a small amount from your salary to your, let's say, Freedom account. Put, for example, 20% of your salary into some stock market or real estate market or whatever, and then, in the long term, build your so-called Freedom Fund. But understand that you won't become rich quickly by investing. Investing is usually a get-rich-slowly system. Building a business is more like a get-rich-quick system because with investing, let's say for example in the stock market, you may make like 10% returns per year maximum. Usually it's like 7% per year. So if you have $1,000, you'll earn $70 for the first year and let's say $75 the second year with that $1,000. So understand that it won't make you money fast, but let's say that you've built that $1 million business, then you sell it, you get the money, you get the cash, then you have lots of cash. You can then invest it and live off from that investment. So there are a lot of people who have built some software business and then they have sold them and now they are living off of dividends from the stock market and their investment income. So now all they need to do is simply manage that money. Invest in different places and it requires maybe 4 hours a week or whatever, but it's super important to understand this because there are a lot of these forex trading scams and all these kinds of things. People come to my channel asking, hey, how can I make $1,000 by trading in the stock market, or how can I make $10,000 per day by trading a stock? I'm completely broke and I need money right now. The thing is, it doesn't work like that. Investing won't make you a lot of money quickly. It's not like that unless you have millions of dollars like Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk. Of course, there may be some lucky ones. As you saw recently, Tesla stock has risen quickly, or Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. They may rise fast, but it's not usually like that and you can lose your money fast. You know the dot-com bubble in 2000? Many companies crashed. So if you have invested your money, you have lost almost all of your money. So if you want to make money fast, I don't recommend investing. It's more like I'm making money slowly but surely. One interesting way you can make money is, for example, buying existing websites or YouTube channels. So let's say that you earn, for example, $50,000. Then you can buy a website that generates you passive income every single month. And over the long term, the website can make you much more money than you have invested in that website, or the same with YouTube channels. They are earning money from ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and now they're selling them because they want to focus on other projects. So if you want to invest your money, you can buy those YouTube channels, and these are opportunities that many people don't consider nowadays because they are relatively new. So it can also give you more opportunities because there aren't much competition. For example, if you invest in real estate, there are so many people looking for the best real estate, but if you look for investing in websites, there aren't that many people looking for that kind of investment, so it gives you better opportunities. Now, let me know in the comments which one of these 5 proven ways you're gonna use to make money online. Are you going with easy money websites, or are you going to make money by sharing your internet connection? Are you gonna look for online jobs and get paid immediately after getting hired, or are you gonna build your own business that may make you a fortune in the long term, or are you gonna invest your money in different investments, or are you gonna do all 5 of these to make money from multiple income sources? Tell me in the comments below. I hope I clarified the differences. If you still have any questions, you can always ask me in the comments below. I do everything that I humanly can do to help you make money online. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you take action. Don't let your mind control you. get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. That's the end of this video. If you made it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is just like my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money-making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.